What is up guys, this is that indie dude. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple way of doing infinite scrolling backgrounds in Unity. This method basically utilizes the texture offset attribute in the material. By increasing the offset value gradually, we can see the background getting a scrolling effect. Alright, let's see how to set this up properly to work in our games. Step 1. The texture that we are using needs to be in repeat mode. Step 2. The BG object in the scene needs to use a material that uses a texture. For our purposes, let's use an unlit texture shader. Step 3. Attach a script to the BG object, and now let's write some code. Let's define a float variable to control the speed of the BG. Also, a variable to hold the current material of the BG, and fetch the material in the start method. Now, in the update method, we write the code for scrolling logic. The simplest way to do this is get the main texture offset attribute from the material. Now, add a vector2 value to this offset each frame. The vector2 that we want to add is nothing but a vector2 of speed multiplied by time.delta time for the x component, and a 0 for the y because I want to move it in the x axis. Now, if you are worried about floating point overflow, then you just have to reduce the offset by 1 every time the offset crosses 1. This keeps the offset value in check and you will get a seamless flow too. That's it. Just run the game and you will see a perfectly scrolling background. And that's it for this video, and see you in the next video. Peace.